Hello guys, welcome to this video. I have FSRM configured already with this quota and file screens actually. So under the quotas, I've created a quota with a limit of 100 megabyte, and I've set a storage report for that already. Where did I go for that? Just have to double click to see the properties. When you're creating yours, you would also see the threshold section. Ensure you set one to get a report section. So now I want to edit this threshold I created earlier. I'll click on it and go for edit. I have here generate notification when usage reaches 50% threshold. So what kind of notification am I generating? So I'll go for report. I have here generate report for duplicate files, file screening audit, file screen files by owner, and I have large files as well, and also quota usage. So those are the categories in which my report will be generated for this quota. And I have here a box checked which says send reports to the following directory, which is seen right, storage report incident. Ensure you set that, and then you go for OK, and then you go for OK. For my file screen as well, I want to generate a report. I would right click on that or just double click on it, and then I go for report. Generate report, select the categories in which the report needs to be generated, and ensure you select send report to this directory. Whenever the user or the users will try to attempt to save unauthorized files, send their report to this directory, and it's going to be based on these particular categories that we've set at the top here. That is a generate report section, and then you go for OK. Now if we should generate a report on this date, which is today, let's just say Sunday 25th, that is today's date. Let's generate a report on this date. We can right click and say generate report now. Currently this report we're about to generate will work based on the settings we've done there over on the quota and the file screens. This is manually created by us, which is just to show how the report works. So we want to generate a report based on the duplicate files, file screen and audit. What else? Let's see, files by owner. Okay, we have also quota usage. So basically those are the categories we want to generate a report on, and then I want to generate a dynamic HTML and an HTML. Over on the scope tab, ensure it says include all folders that store the following kind of data: application files, backup, group, user files. Actually just user files, but let's select all, and go back to settings. Then we can go for OK. Now here it's going to say, it says choose one of the following: generate report in background, wait for reports to be generated. So I'll go for wait for reports to be generated and go for OK. So it's generating our report, and here we have it. Today is 25th, 5:40. The time was 5:40. It was 5:40. So these are all the reports that were generated right now. 5:40. So here we have duplicate files, we have files by owner, file screen audit, quota usage. So let's start by saying quota usage. By double clicking on this, we're going to see a report on that which says list the quotas that are exceeded at a certain disk usage level. This is a computer name, and here we have the kind of folders or files that we reported on. Currently we have no data. Why? Because our user has never used this particular one, or has never used the files or the storage location to store files. So this is a blank report, and I believe every other ones will be the same. Let's say file screen audit, the same. Let's see, files by owner, the same, blank report. And then we have also duplicate files, blank report. Because the user hasn't done anything yet. So we are going to move over to the client computer so a user can test this. Okay guys, so we are here on our client's computer. Currently Alma is logged in, and he has a file. She has some compressed files and some pictures and some video and some songs and also a PSD file. She tried accessing the central storage created by DFS, and the FSRM has the policies there. Okay, she tried saving compressed files, and she was told that she has no permission to do that because FSRM file screen has screened that out of our storage location. Then she attempted the second time storing the next file also. Okay, she attempted to store a video as well. Okay, which is an MKV file that wasn't blocked. Okay, now here we are on FSRM server. Let's find out what is going on in our C drive storage report. You realize we have a new folder there automatically generated called incident, and was generated at 6:06 p.m. recently when Alma was trying to perform some activity. Now when we go in there, we have a couple of reports right here. Find out they were all generated at the same time, and we have quota usage down here. When we double click on that, it's an HTML file. We find out that we have reports total. The quota was 1. The total usage currently is 23.9 megabyte. Okay, and that is the total usage, and this is the locale which it was stored. Okay, and it's telling us down here that the owner of the quota is the administrator, because the administrator created it, and it's 100 megabyte. This is the used. Okay, that is the usage or the used amount. This is the percentage. Okay, and this is the peak usage in terms of megabyte, and this is the time the peak usage occurred. That is about the quota usage report. When we go over to the file screen audit, find out that we have no audit here yet. Don't worry about that. Let's close, and we have file by owner. Very important. Let's see. Very good. Over here we have one owner, one file. The person used this amount of size. Who is that person? The person is Alma in this domain. She used these 23.9 megabyte. We'll come all the way down. We find out the size by owner. It's also giving us Alma. And down here it's telling us that this is statistics for the files by Alma in this domain, and the file name is video.mkv, like we all know, and this is the size on disk. This is the size of the file in this location. So that is perfect. That's exactly what we were talking about. So this was automatically generated as an incident, and currently when we have duplicate, and we have no duplicate files, so no report for that. So that's basically how you work the report. So that is how you generate a report, or you configure report generation in your file screen in your disk quota settings. Okay, so if you have any questions, ensure you let me know in the comment section, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.